Well, I'm in Hong Kong on a beautiful sunny morning on top of a 40-story building overlooking the Shatin Sea. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's a beautiful morning, and I'm about to send the drone up and see what it looks like from up there.
Making films is all about communicating. Do you see what I see? Maybe do you hear what I hear? The ultimate for a filmmaker is, do you feel what I feel? That's me down there on top of the world, hiding in the shadows so I can see the iPhone screen. Technology is mind-blowing. And yes, that's a swimming pool on top of the building down there. And the building that is coming into view is Ocean View. To the left is the sea and the promenade. To the right, a shopping mall. In the center, a swimming pool, tennis court, gardens, fountains, and trees. Inside, clubhouse, gym, restaurant, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, billiard room, music room, and children's playroom. I'm trying to communicate a little of what Hong Kong is like. It has more skyscrapers than any other city on earth. But this is not central Hong Kong. It's On Shan in the New Territories, Saddleback Mountain, a great part of which is reclaimed land. The Jubilee River here used to be the bay. These are the morning shots. And to give you an idea of where I am, I'll zoom out a little. It's now the evening time, and the sun is setting. Every filmmaker dreams of getting amazing aerial shots. And what has happened to drone technology in the past 2 or 3 years has blown my mind. I'm enjoying the evening sun as it sets on another Hong Kong day. When I came here in 1974, this was just a couple of villages with a small road that went nowhere. Now there's a 6-lane highway, a mass transit railway, and 1.2 million people living here. Below, people barbecue on top of the clubhouse and swim in the Olympic-sized pool. And the bay has been reduced to a river that previously was a stream, and most of the flat land you see is reclaimed. On the right bank is the racecourse. To the left is the Shatin Sea, and in the distance, Tolo Harbour. And thanks to the drone, I get to see it like I never saw it before. I suppose this is what the sun sees as it sets. I hope I've given you an insight into rural Hong Kong, if you see what I mean. I even get to see myself like I never saw me before. Oh, and Hong Kong has 4 seasons. This is winter.